Today we came to a hotel to get some work done, so I brought the Ultimate Boss Babe bag, the Onthego GM, and this is the largest size. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what you think of this bag. So let's talk about it. First of all, it is the reverse monogram, so it's the light leather or canvas on the back with the darker print, and then the other side is the regular color, but it is the giant logo. The sides have the regular canvas. This side has the reverse canvas, and then the bottom is my favorite part. It's where they meet in the middle. I love the bottom. I just think it is very crafty and unique. The top has canvas little arm straps, and then it does also come with shoulder straps. These are the black leather shoulder straps. So some of these on-the-go bags come with canvas shoulder straps, but this one is black leather, which I kind of like a little bit better. Just gives it a little bit of classiness. And the interior is bright red cotton interior with 2 slip pockets and a zipper pocket. So much space. I took one of these on traveling with me on a plane, and it was literally a lifesaver. I fit so much stuff in there. We also have on our website, little off topic, but I brought a little matching wallet. We have this Sarah wallet that does match this on the go perfectly. Look how cute they are together. This one is in new condition as well, and it comes with the box and the dust bag. So we've got all those goodies on our website, milkhoneycollection.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. What do you think of the Louis Vuitton on the go?